You can expect a lot from the 2013 Chevrolet Sonic. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 45,000 miles. Chevrolet paid particular attention to efficiency and practicality with the following features: a tachometer, heated door mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, OnStar, and ABS brakes. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.